Hi, you're watching Das Savera. This is Amarpal Singh. Before you today, bank employees they are staging protests over here in Ludhiana, and they are protesting against the policies of central government. We are having with us PR Mehta, Vice President, All India Bank Employees Association. Mehta ji, आज जो protest you are protesting over here in Ludhiana. What is the reason behind this protest?
This protest is not only raised by bank employees under the banner of All India Bank Employees Association. Today, around 25 crore of employees working in different public sector undertakings and enterprises at the call of Central Trade Union. All Central Trade Union other than the BMS, which is affiliated to Bharatiya Janata Party, are on one-day strike, token strike, for the reason that they are opposing the economic policies of privatization. You have seen Air India is privatized, almost BNSL is privatized, defense services are contractualized and privatized. Policy of privatization in the name of neo-economic policy, which is perceived by the government, is continuously followed by the government, and the current government is going more aggressively to implement these policies. The labor laws are being trampled. A threat is there that there will be total hire and fire policy in place by this government, and against this economic policies of the government, policies of privatization, policies of contractualization, policy of demolishing all social security. Central Trade Union have gone on a one-day token strike. After this strike, we will analyze the situation, we will look into the attitude of the government, and in case we feel that the government is not mending fences, we will go in for more higher agitational program, agitating action. If need be, there may be a continuous strike by the workers of this country, and All India Bank Employees Association is part of this conglomeration, and will also take care of it that these policies of the government are opposed to thin.
As Central Trade Union has announced the strike, and you are being bank employees are participating in the strike, of they are observing one-day strike. What are your demands that now, as you said, that you are protesting against the policies of central government, your policies of privatization? What are your demands?
We are against privatization of public sector banks. Reason being that these banks were privatized to serve the economic interest of our country. This serve the interest of capital houses. Mergers are taking place, privatization is taking place. There is need of more and more banks. More and more private banks are being opened, whereas public sector banks and their branches are being shut, because they would like from mass banking to class banking, and All India Bank Employees Association, bank employees are against it. We are fighting for the last almost 34 years, and this fight will continue.
What do you feel that privatization is not good for the Indian economy, or it is said that privatized services are more better than the government services?
When we say mass banking and we say class banking, in a private bank, if you go to open an account, you need minimum 10,000 balance for having an account. Whereas in a public sector bank, you go with zero balance, you can open your account. And that government, when banks were nationalized, they have perceived a policy that this much of amount will be lended for export, for small scale industry, for agriculture, so that all sectors, all components of economy should get support from the banks. It should not be the only few capital houses or big industrialists. They should have the benefit of banks, and these are in the bank what deposits are. It belongs to the common man. So benefits should go to the common man instead of few houses. But the Sarkar, for its own reason, you can understand who is funding the political system of this country, or because these people are funding, so they would like to have the lion's share of this capital to promote their own interest against the interest of the common man. That is why we are opposing it.
Netaji, every year a protest is being held. Bank employees are protesting against privatization for a long time. At how the resolution will come? At what point your discussions are being taking place at the central level? How the government will resolve it?
Employees and organizations are being pushed to the wall. There is an old adage: the more you press any agitation, any section of employees, the reaction will be more hard and hard. Someone has rightly said we are getting government for the last 10, 12 years. Someone has rightly said the higher you rise, the harder you fall. And this policy is ultimately, if government doesn't mend fences, they will have to pay the price through the package system. It is not the bullet, but the barrel which will change the system.
After this one-day strike, what is your further agenda?
We will analyze the outcome, attitude of the government, we'll have rounds of talk, and then we'll take our decision that how we have to take this agitation to the higher floors.
Thank you so much, sir. So he was PR Mehta, Vice President, All India Bank Employees Association. So as a Central Trade Union has announced one-day strike, and so bank employees, they have also participated in this strike. They are observing this one-day strike today, and they are holding protest against policies of central government, against privatization policies of central government here in Ludhiana. So you're watching The Suvera. Stay tuned to us. Follow us both on Facebook and YouTube, and also download our mobile application. Amarpal Singh with cameraman Manoj Sidhu.